When the USS Maine flooded, many citizens were deprived of the truth, believing that it had only gone missing as there were no survivors, only 230 deaths. But that was only half of the truth. There was big suspicion that Spain had bombed the boat. The other possibility was that it exploded because of an internal problem, but many believe that the Spaniards were part of the tremendous loss which America faced on the day of February 15, 1898. America's reaction was a feeling of devastation and resentment. Spain's reaction was to round up 300,000 Cubans in hopes of retaining them from rebellion. This angered many Americans since they believed that Cuba should be independent of Spanish rule. Spain cooperated with the United States, hoping to avoid war between each other and to find the real cause of the USS Maine explosion. But their efforts did not work because the United States of America declared war on Spain, which is where the Spanish-American War occurred, lasting from April 21st to December 10th, 1898.